Ayan na. Like, let's wait another, siguro, 15 minutes or 10 minutes. And then we'll cut this one into cubes. See, jelly na. Jelly na siya. Jelly, 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 jelly. Hello. Hi guys. We're 7 million live. 7 million, only 7 viewers. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is okay na. Ako, konti na lang. This skin. Actually, this is like a powder. We did not make it from the scratch. It's actually a powder, and then we boiled it, like dissolve the powder until jelly comes to boil, and after that we put it here. Kung naubusan ako ng English sa iyo, you really Ayan na. So it's not from the we did not make it from the scratch. This is actually a powder, and then we boil it and then transfer it here, and boom, it's a jelly. Yan na. Jelly na siya. Ay. Pangat naman dito. So we need to slice it into cubes. And then we'll put some, milk and a little bit of coffee powder to make a coffee jelly. Pwede na siguro to. Let's try natin i-cut. O, diba? So, iwain na natin. Ipatay mo na electric fan dyan. Okay. So this one is good. You just need to slice it into cubes. Slice. Okay. Okay. This side. Oopsie.